Force in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Fairfield County, eastern Putnam County, and southeastern New York until 2:30 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pawling, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sherman and New Fairfield around 1:35 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is a special weather statement.